Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need fundamentals now. A domain, business email, and SSL. Get them in place and keep credentials organized. Once done, pick an e-commerce or lead generation platform and connect a payment gateway like Stripe or PayPal so transactions flow. Make sure to prepare 3 core assets: a clear logo, a one-page value proposition, and 5 product or service photos. These let you launch pages and ads. Don't wait for perfection. Iterate after you get initial feedback and sales data. You'll build funnels step by step. Design homepage, product pages, and a smooth checkout. Integrate analytics like GA4 and track conversion events so you can measure what matters. Then set up email automation, welcome series, cart recovery, and a 3-step nurture sequence to capture value from cold traffic. Once these are live, launch paid tests with modest budgets, measure CPA and ROAS, and iterate on creatives and targeting. Make sure to run a/B tests and prioritize fixes that move conversion rate margins first. You scale by doubling down on channels that hit your target ROAS and reinvesting profits into top performers. Once scaled, standardize reporting so decisions stay fast. Maintain technical health. Site speed, regular backups, security patches, and weekly UX checks to catch 404s or broken flows. If performance drops, troubleshoot methodically. First, isolate the affected channel, then retest creatives and audiences. Verify analytics and tracking, and if needed, roll back recent changes. One key tip:
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.